Heroes Assembly. My name is Africa Who. You can as well call me the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Today, I'll be talking about SSC as the basic requirement to secure political office in Nigeria. My people, as a little boy while growing up, they used to tell us the importance of education. But surprisingly, as an adult, a glance through the Nigerian Constitution, one will notice that WAEC, let me use the word WAEC because that's the most popular here. WAEC is the minimum requirement one need to become whether president, governor, or what have you in Nigeria. And when I ask question as a person, some are of the view that the reason we have WAEC in our constitution is because northerners don't go to school. Majority of the northerners, they are illiterate. Therefore, to get even WAEC from them is always very difficult. That's why it is so. But I can tell you today that it is a lie. It is a pure fat lie that northerners don't go to school. Come to think of it, it is not about northerners not going to school here. It's about our political elite being illiterate. If you think that I'm generalizing, you just calm down a bit, let me explain to you. What was the bone of contention between Buhari and Atiku? It wasn't about INEC, majorly, it was about Buhari's certificate. What was the bone of contention that removed the recent deputy governor elect? Is also certificate. The other day we are talking about certificate concerning Adeleke. Even Atiku Abubakar as he is today, we tell you he is having ND. Majority of our political elite don't have the certificate they claim to have. Even the said SSC, majority of them don't have it. What they are using is Oluwole certificate, and that is why they peg it at SSC, because they can easily manipulate their way in getting that one. If BSc, for instance, is the minimum requirement to secure any political office in Nigeria, are you telling me we don't have graduates in the north? Are you telling me if you go to the north today, we can't get up to 10,000 graduates? If you think we can't get it, that means you must be delusional. Because I have been to almost all the parts of this country, and I can tell you that there is no region in Nigeria without illiterate. It's just that the Alimajeris are easily manipulated with religion sentiment. That's another a story for another video. But telling me that the reason we have SSC in our constitution is because northerners don't go to school is a lie. Most of the leaders across board in this country, what is their minimum? What is the qualification they use in securing political offices? Most of them, go and check it. The other day in Ogun State, one is telling us he went to Ife. Or when scrutinized, he never said he went to Ife. Today he is occupying that office with the same O level. So we should stop generalizing. We should stop generalizing and face where our problem is. Our political elite are the problems of this country. An average Hausa man, just like an average Yoruba man, is looking for what to eat. And these are the people who pay attention to education. These people at the top don't even bother about improving their knowledge. All they are concerned about is looting. They've been looting since we were in primary school. They are still looting till this day. When somebody over 80 years is looting 100 billion, what will the person do with that money? That's the question we need to ask these people. But that's for another video. So I am telling you today that if you think that the northerners don't go to school is the reason we have SSC in our constitution, it's a lie. Go and study, make research and study those who sat down to compose this fraud called 1999 constitution. Majority of them, what is their qualification? Let's start from there. Let's start from there. Yes, we have some exceptional few like Zik, like Awolowo, and some others, Tafawa Balewa, Ahmadu Bello, that they all went to school. It's not about Northerners not going to school yet. After this crop of politicians, come look at others. I don't want to mention them, I don't want to mention them, because if you begin to mention their name and I look as if you want to cause trouble, but just go and study all of them. We have some in Edo claiming to graduate from a school they've never been to. We know those who claimed the other day that they went to Toronto. We know, you all know the first speaker of the House of Rep. He claimed certificate is not having, he's claiming it. And what have you? Please don't join the bandwagon of saying Northerners don't go to school. Yes, they have the highest population in Nigeria. So if we have, for example, 180, let's say 30 goes to school, because there are still 70 that are not educated, you say they are all illiterate, but it's not so. It's just like saying in a class of 100 where 80 are dullard and 20 are actually brilliant. If they want to talk about that class, they say that class is an Olodo class. That's just how it is. Please tell me what you think in the comment section. Until we meet again next time, I remain the grandson of all ancestors.